Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's a Black Mask. You already know the vibes. So guys, I know I haven't been uploading. But yeah, I've got something for you today. Got Nasdaq for you on 1 week. You can see last week we had these two bearish candlesticks on a weekly time frame. And reading from the weekly time frame, we can see we had 2 weeks bearish, which is all correct. We've been correcting, but you can see from yesterday to Monday, which and to up until today, which is Tuesday, you can see the price is starting to pull back to the upside. You can see yesterday we had price pulling it to the upside there, and then the sellers came dropping it down. But I still think we are gonna go to the upside. This was an impulse correction, and you're gonna still impulse to the upside. So let's move on to the daily time frame and diagnose it. You have to diagnose it from the weekly time frame to the smallest time frames. You can see, let me do it this way. We can see the price have been somehow been consolidating over here, and you can see from yesterday we had that pull to the upside, and we have opened here, and we have this area of interest over here. As you can see, we have too many weeks of rejection, so I'm anticipating that the price is going to retest this, and then we're gonna pull to the upside. So let me jump into the 4-hour time frame and start allocating my zones, my trend line, and everything. Like I always told you, now we're gonna pick up our lowest low, our current lowest low. So we're gonna take this one over here. It's our current lowest low, and we're gonna take this one as our current highest high. I'm on a 4-hour time frame. So after allocating my lowest low, my current lowest low, and my current highest high, I'm gonna take my trend line and I'm gonna throw it this way. You can see we had first touch, second touch, third touch, pull to the upside, came manipulated this trend line, we went to the upside, but then here we broke below it, we have violated it, so it's no longer valid. Even if we take this one, we have violated it right here. So we're gonna put it here. You can see if we put trend line over here, we have violated this one, we broke below it and we came back inside of it. So now we're gonna take our trend line from here. You see, that's just how it is. Then from there you're gonna allocate your zones being the areas whereby when price come to it, the price reverses. Price comes to these zones, they reject, they turn away. You can see over here, price came over here, it went to the upside. Price came over here, it went to the upside as well. So you're gonna allocate your zones there. Just gonna allocate zones. How do you identify zones? You're gonna identify zones as well where price rejected, where price changed its direction. You can see price came here, it went to the upside, and then price also came here, rejected, it went to the upside. Can you see that? So now you can see we had over there, and we had rejection over here as well. You can see as well, price came here, touched, went to the upside, came here, almost touched, went to the upside, came here, almost touched this rejection, and then went to the upside. So now we're gonna allocate our areas areas of interest where we see too many weeks of rejections, and then we're gonna form our resistance. You can see here price also, these are also zones as well. You can see price quite had a problem with this zone over here, the one that I have just marked. You can see here price came to this side, it went to the upside, to the downside, and you can see here, here it manipulated it, played over around it, and you can see here it gave us this double bottom, and then price went to the upside, came back, retested this same zone over here, it went to the upside, came and retested here again. You can see this kind of weak rejection, it went to the upside, and we can see as well as over here price came over this zone, it went to the upside. Now we have broken below it, we broke it above, we're going to the upside of it, retesting it. Now we can see on a 4 hour time frame, you can see this kind of rejection of this candlestick over here. So with this you can see then it's only left with 3 minutes. So at the close of this, but I'm gonna wait for London open. You can see now we are still it's 6 o'clock, so you're gonna wait for London open, and if London open comes and you're still above this zone over here, I'm gonna take your buys, your buy opportunities over there. So let me jump into the hourly time frame. Yes, you can see guys, it's an impulse and a correction, still gonna move to the upside. I love how it's correcting, how it's confirming everything over here. You can see the weak rejection, you can see the price came tapped inside this zone, it's rejected. You can see the rejection over there. You can still take your buys already there. London session will arrive and will already be gone. You can take first TP over there, and then you can then target that area over there where we saw price having hard time crossing over. You can target that one over there. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna enter already here. I know it's 6 o'clock. At the close of this candlestick, it's already confirming for me. We are the other area of interest where we have seen multiple touches. You can see the price impulse correcting and a correction over here. You can see this kind of correction over here we are having. You have all in, we have, oh my god, it's gonna break be above, then you're gonna take your buys. I think I'm anticipating buys on NAS100 right now. This is a proper buy setup. At the close of this candlestick, you take your buys and then you target that high there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take this buy over here. So let me just cut this video short so I can upload it and you can all eat. It's the Black Mask guys signing out. Hope this will be helpful for you guys. I know I haven't been uploading for the longest time, but yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, do all those nice stuff, and we'll meet on another video. So yeah guys, tango.